Welcome to my YouTube channel Nursing Station. Yesterday we have received a new update regarding the BARC exam which was conducted for the post of nurses. On 15th February 2021, BARC official website releases the exam form and form filling process was completed in the month of February 2021. Then after a long time we have received a new update about the exam. They have provided the list of candidates screened for the written examination. As we know, the exam will be in three stages: stage 1, stage 2 and stage 3. Let's see what is the notification. The date of stage 1 written examination is 9 January 2022. It was on Sunday. Reporting time for the written examination will be 8 am. And the examination center, Thakur College of Science and Commerce, Shyam Narayan Thakur Marg, Thakur Village, Kandivali East, Mumbai. Candidates are required to bring the admit card with printout of online application along with all original certificate, testimonials and self-attested copies of the certificates. Means along with our admit card, we have to give our self-attested copies of the certificates which are required, and also to carry the original certificates. Candidates will not be allowed to appear for written examination if found ineligible during the verification of documents. Means according to them, they are going to verify our documents and then make eligible to give exams. So please carry your all the documents, original documents with attested copies of all documents with yourself while going to exam. Next, candidate who are qualifying the stage 1 written exam will be eligible to appear for the stage 2 written examination, which will be held in the afternoon. Means when you get qualified in the stage 1, you have to give stage 2 written examination on the same day in the afternoon session. Candidates who are qualifying the stage 2, they have to give skill test, which is stage 3, which will be held on 10 January 2022 at BARC Hospital. If you are working in another hospital or any another sector, please take no objection certificate from the present employer for appearing the exam. According to them, admit card cum call letter can be downloaded from the website on 29 December 2021 onwards. Means admit card is available from 29 December only. I am sharing the website in description. Please go through all necessary eligibility criteria and study hard. Thank you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Please, if you have any doubt, you can comment in the comment section. Thank you.